friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing to spend part of your day with me. I really appreciate it. So for today's video, this was the June challenge from Kathleen Osmore's Patreon group. So I'll put a link to that group below. It's a great group to be a part of, super supportive, super fun. But today's challenge was how to use the color red, had to leave a significant black background or negative space, and had to use polymer clay. So this is the second canvas I did. You'll see me pour two today. This is the second one I did. I didn't choose to embellish this one, but I just wanted to show you that. I love this color combo. Yeah, okay. So let's just go ahead, get down to the table, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, here we are with the colors. I have drips back here that have been strained. I have champagne gold from Modern Masters. I have interference gold from Golden. And I have Liquitex, I think this is bone black, and then Bordeaux red. Give you a good idea of the thickness. Not super thick, not super thin.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. I clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears. still ringing with the sound. We were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now.
And here I just have my Fimo brand soft polymer clay, and I've cut it into strips, and I'm using this pasta attachment on my KitchenAid to knead the dough. This is just an easy way to get it nice and pliable. You can definitely knead by hand, no problem. Now, if you do use a pasta attachment like this, make sure it's just for your arts and crafts sort of stuff. You do not want to use this with food, like after rolling the clay through it. So I just knead it, get it nice and soft, and then I start rolling out my longer pieces, and I'm just using the heel of my hand, not using a ton of pressure, just lightly doing this until I get it to the thinness and length that I want.
I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. When I'm with you, I am not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side only you can see. And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side. If only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment.
And here we are with the finished results. Now I do need to put another coat of varnish on here, and I need to put another coat of red on my clay pieces, but I just wanted to show you guys the idea of how this turned out. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful day.